What if AI knew you were crashing before anyone else? Have you ever wondered, what if a hospital knew you were about to take a sudden turn for the worse, hours before it actually happened? It sounds impossible. After all, doctors aren't standing at your bedside every second. Nurses are caring for multiple patients, and no human can constantly watch every heartbeat, every breath, every blood pressure reading, and every lab result all at once. But artificial intelligence can. Right now, hospitals are beginning to use AI systems that quietly monitor patients around the clock. Not to replace doctors, not to replace nurses, but to do something humans simply can't. Watch everything, all the time. Think about what happens inside an intensive care unit. Every second, monitors are recording heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen levels, respiratory rate, temperature, lab results, medication changes. That's an enormous amount of information. Now imagine trying to notice tiny changes across all of those numbers at the same time. A person might recognize one abnormal reading. AI looks for something different, patterns. Maybe your oxygen drops just a little, your heart rate rises slightly, your breathing changes almost imperceptibly. Individually, none of those changes seem alarming, but together, they may form a pattern that has appeared in thousands of patients before they suddenly deteriorated. That's where artificial intelligence becomes incredibly powerful. It can compare your condition against enormous amounts of previous patient data and recognize warning signs that would be nearly impossible for a human to calculate in real time. When it detects that pattern, it alerts the care team, not because you're already crashing, but because you might be. That extra time can be incredibly valuable. Doctors can order additional tests, adjust medications, increase monitoring, or intervene before a medical emergency ever happens. And that's the goal. AI isn't predicting the future with certainty. It's recognizing that your body may be starting to follow a path seen in patients who became critically ill. The earlier clinicians recognize that possibility, the more options they often have. What's fascinating is that artificial intelligence isn't replacing medical judgment. It's giving healthcare teams another set of eyes, one that never gets tired, never blinks, and never stops watching for subtle changes that humans simply can't monitor every second of every day. For decades, hospitals have reacted when patients became critically ill. Now, artificial intelligence is helping them recognize when something may be changing before the crisis arrives. And sometimes, the most important treatment isn't discovering the problem, it's discovering it early enough to change what happens next.